Ang layo naman. Sige. Diyan na. Sige, open the light. Ilaw.
What?
Ilaw muna. Open the light.
Ano ba to? Putik, hindi ko alam paano.
Oh, sige, sige. Halika man, halika man. Oh.
First time ko mag-hotel eh.
First time.
First time mo mag-hotel?
Oh, first time eh. Hindi
First
ako
time,
nag-hotel.
Oh, we're gonna sleep there.
Let's watch TV.
Ha?
Let's watch TV.
Who will sleep there?
Let's watch TV.
Yan.
Let's watch TV po.
Right.
Let's watch TV.
Open it, open it.
Ah!
Oh, okay.
Ay.
You will sleep there, ha?
Welcome to your room. Our reception
Okay.
is available around the clock. Any issue?
What?
Oh, we can have channel.
There's a Wi-Fi there. Right?
We have to wake up around 6:30 tomorrow.
6:30. So alarm
6
Five.
o'clock, 5:30.
5:30.
Yes.
Okay.
Why? 5:30.
We're gonna wake up early so we can have a breakfast. Tingnan natin sa labas.
Of course. Of course.
Malapit.
No, we can wake up at 6 o'clock because we're just going to brush and come back. Oh, you hang your coat here na.
Okay, hang your coat. Okay, that's it for today. Papahinga muna tayo. Pagod. Galing sa Winter Wonderland. Okay. Bye. See you then. Pahinga muna.
Extra baby.
Okay. Sige.
Wow, my class.
Okay. Bye-bye. Good night.
Oh.